If you weigh over 180 pounds, your air fork is secretly fighting against you on every small bump. Air forks dominate the market, and for good reason. Models like the 2026 Fox 34 Float at $800 or the RockShox Pike offer infinite adjustability. You pump air in and the spring rate becomes naturally progressive, getting stiffer to prevent harsh bottom-outs. But Coil is making a massive comeback. A coil spring is entirely linear. The force required to compress it is exactly the same at the top of the stroke as the bottom. This translates to unmatched small bump sensitivity and zero fade on long descents. Here's where buyers get obsessed: the weight penalty. Yes, Coil adds about 300 grams. For XC racing, that matters. For trail riding, it's completely irrelevant compared to the massive traction upgrade. Now here is a practical reality check. If you weigh over 180 pounds, you have to run high air pressure. High pressure forces the seals tighter against the stanchions, creating noticeable friction. Coil bypasses this issue entirely, giving heavier riders significantly plusher travel. But let's talk budget and upkeep. Under $500, you only have air options, like the RockShox Recon or Fox Rhythm. However, air forks require lower leg service every 50 hours. Coil forks stretch that to 100 hours, saving you serious bench time. The 2026 market is finally shifting to make Coil accessible. We're seeing aggressive pricing on the MRP ribbon coil at $600. And push-to-coil conversion kits are booming for riders who want to gut their existing air forks. So what's the verdict? 80% of mountain bikers are best served by air. If you ride varied terrain, prioritize climbing efficiency, or tweak your setup often, stick to an air fork. But if you ride aggressive descents, weigh over 180 pounds, or prioritize downhill plushness above all else, buy a Coil fork. It transforms the bike and your hands will thank you. Match the spring to your terrain. Ride hard,